Welcome to our deep dive into the intriguing psychology behind tax compliance. Have you ever wondered why we willingly hand over a portion of our hard-earned money to the government? In this video, we'll explore the fascinating reasons that drive individuals to comply with tax laws, revealing insights that go beyond mere obligation. We'll discuss the various psychological factors at play, from social norms and moral obligations to the fear of penalties and the desire for community support. You might be surprised to learn that our decisions about taxes are influenced by more than just financial considerations. We'll also touch on how trust in government and the perceived fairness of the tax system can significantly impact compliance rates. As we navigate through these concepts, we aim to keep the tone engaging and informative, ensuring that you not only learn, but also find yourself captivated by the complexities of human behavior in relation to taxes. By the end of this video, you'll have a clearer understanding of the surprising motivations behind why we pay taxes and how these insights can shape future tax policies. So, let's embark on this enlightening journey together. The historical context of taxation. To understand the psychology behind tax compliance, we must first explore the historical context of taxation and how it has evolved over time. From ancient civilizations that imposed taxes on goods and labor to modern income tax systems, historical events have significantly shaped our views on taxes. For instance, the heavy taxation during the Roman Empire led to widespread resentment and rebellion, influencing how societies perceive tax obligations today. Societal norms play a crucial role in tax compliance as well. In many cultures, paying taxes is seen as a civic duty, a way to contribute to the common good. This sense of responsibility can be traced back to historical events where collective efforts were necessary for survival, such as during wars or natural disasters. These norms create a framework within which individuals feel compelled to comply with tax laws. Moreover, trust in government is a pivotal factor in tax payment behavior. When citizens believe that their taxes are being used effectively and fairly, they are more likely to comply. Historical instances of government corruption or mismanagement can erode this trust, leading to increased tax evasion. Understanding these dynamics helps us appreciate the complex interplay between history, societal expectations, and individual behavior regarding taxation. Social norms and peer influence. Social norms play a significant role in shaping our willingness to pay taxes, often influencing individual behavior through the lens of peer dynamics. When individuals observe their peers fulfilling their tax obligations, it creates a powerful incentive to conform. This phenomenon, known as social proof, suggests that people are more likely to comply with tax laws when they see others doing the same. The impact of peer behavior can be profound, as it fosters a sense of belonging and shared responsibility within a community. Additionally, the psychological pressure to conform to societal expectations cannot be underestimated. Individuals often feel compelled to align their actions with the norms of their social circles, fearing judgment or ostracism if they deviate. This pressure can lead to increased tax compliance, as people strive to maintain their reputation and standing within their community. Community values also shape attitudes towards taxation. In societies where collective welfare and civic duty are emphasized, individuals are more likely to view tax payment as a moral obligation. Conversely, in communities where skepticism towards government is prevalent, tax compliance may be viewed with suspicion. By examining these social norms and peer influences, we gain valuable insights into the psychological factors that drive our willingness to pay taxes. The role of trust in government. Trust in government is a critical factor influencing tax compliance, as it directly correlates with individuals' willingness to fulfill their tax obligations. When citizens perceive their government as transparent and accountable, they are more likely to comply with tax laws. Transparency fosters a sense of security, allowing taxpayers to feel confident that their contributions are being used effectively for public services and infrastructure. Conversely, a lack of transparency can lead to skepticism and reluctance to pay taxes. Perceived fairness in tax distribution also plays a significant role in shaping compliance. When individuals believe that the tax system is equitable and that their contributions are being allocated fairly, they are more inclined to comply. On the other hand, if taxpayers feel that the burden is disproportionately placed on them, or that wealthier individuals are not paying their fair share, compliance rates may decline. Countries with high levels of trust in government often demonstrate impressive tax compliance rates. For instance, Scandinavian nations like Sweden and Denmark consistently rank high in both trust and compliance, with citizens willing to pay higher taxes in exchange for robust social services. By investigating the relationship between trust and tax compliance, we can better understand the importance of fostering transparency and fairness in government to encourage civic responsibility. Fear of consequences. The psychological impact of fear plays a significant role in motivating tax compliance, particularly through the fear of penalties and audits. Many individuals are driven to pay their taxes on time due to the anxiety associated with potential consequences, such as fines, interest charges, or even legal action. This fear acts as a powerful motivator, prompting taxpayers to adhere to tax laws to avoid the repercussions of non-compliance. However, the relationship between fear and moral obligation is complex. While fear can compel individuals to fulfill their tax duties, it often coexists with a sense of moral responsibility. Many taxpayers feel a duty to contribute to their community and support public services, which can enhance compliance. This balance between fear and moral obligation highlights the multifaceted nature of tax behavior, where both psychological factors and ethical considerations influence decisions. The effectiveness of enforcement mechanisms also plays a crucial role in promoting tax adherence. Strong enforcement measures, such as audits and penalties, can deter tax evasion and encourage compliance. However, it is essential for governments to strike a balance. Overly aggressive enforcement can lead to resentment and distrust among taxpayers. By understanding the psychological impact of fear, we can better appreciate its role in shaping tax compliance behaviors and the importance of fostering a cooperative relationship between taxpayers and authorities. Psychological benefits of paying taxes. Paying taxes can have several positive psychological effects that extend beyond mere financial transactions. One of the most significant benefits is the enhancement of feelings of civic duty. When individuals fulfill their tax obligations, they often experience a sense of pride and responsibility, knowing they are contributing to the functioning of their society. This sense of civic duty reinforces their identity as engaged citizens, fostering a deeper connection to their community. Additionally, tax compliance can create a strong sense of belonging and community. By contributing to the collective resources that support public services, individuals feel they are part of something larger than themselves. This shared responsibility can strengthen social bonds, as taxpayers recognize that their contributions help fund essential services like education, healthcare, and infrastructure, which benefit everyone. Moreover, the psychological rewards of supporting public services cannot be overlooked. Many individuals derive satisfaction from knowing their taxes help improve the quality of life for others, particularly those in need. This altruistic aspect of tax compliance can lead to increased happiness and fulfillment, as taxpayers see their contributions making a tangible difference in their communities. By exploring these psychological benefits, we gain a deeper understanding of the positive impact that paying taxes can have on individual well-being and societal cohesion. In this video, we've explored the intricate psychology behind tax compliance, uncovering the various factors that influence our willingness to pay taxes. We discussed how historical events shape our views, the impact of social norms and peer influence, and the critical role of trust in government. We also examined the psychological effects of fear and the positive benefits that come from fulfilling our civic duties. Key takeaways include the understanding that tax compliance is not solely about financial obligation. It is deeply intertwined with our sense of community, moral responsibility, and the psychological rewards of contributing to public services. As you reflect on your own attitudes towards taxes, consider how these factors may influence your behavior and perceptions. We encourage you to engage with this topic further by sharing your thoughts in the comments below. How do you feel about your tax obligations? What influences your compliance? If you found this video insightful, please Please subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with others who may benefit from understanding the psychology of tax compliance. Together, we can foster a more informed and engaged community around this important subject. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.